My name is Kevin Kilkeary, and I've been with Prospera for 8 years now. Really a part of the company for the whole 22 years that it's been around. I'm the president of PHHS. And what we're trying to do is basically, come up with solutions for owners that they need. I mean, there's a necessity there that's extraordinary. Because initially it was like, okay, COVID, right? All right, well, how do we protect our employees? How do we protect our owners? How do we, protect the people who come to stay with us? So boom, that was like no brainer. Let's dive into this. I come from medical, so it's like, we're gonna dive into all these different pieces, all the products that I think would work. UV technology, and beyond everything, gloves, masks, you name it, we were into it. And then it went to like, okay, so we bounced out of COVID, that time frame, and then it's like, wow, there's no one coming back to the hotels that can help the hospitality service aspect of this thing, right? So then you're thinking like, okay, so then some research came about, and I'm looking, and I'm like, well, robotics, okay. So then I dive, and I'm down in a rabbit hole right now as we're sitting here, with all the different technologies and the advancements in those. So, took the approach for the robotics is really based on tasks that need to be done in order for the buildings to be the way that they need to be for the guests and for the employees. And we look at the robotics as more of tools for the staff we do have to make them more efficient. And that's the way we're going, and I think it'll continue down that path.